Hey, welcome. Today I thought I'd play around with some water. I went out and bought some nice tonic bottles. So what I'll do is I'll put them in this plastic tray, fill up a little bit of water, do some splashes, and hopefully we'll get something that looks kind of nice. So the first thing I did, I have prepared this bottle where I've removed the label on the back. They come with this ugly label on the back, which in the glass reflects on the edges. So I got rid of that, and now I'm going to use some double-sided tape on the back of the bottle to make it stick in that tray. Because when we add in the water and start flashing, it will move around, so we want to keep it from doing that. Okay, now the tape will hopefully hold it pretty much in place. Okay, so and I've set up, got this big plexiglass, got that small tray, plastic, and I've placed this paper backdrop which has kind of a gradient behind it. It shows the blue to make the water pop a little bit, and I also thought it would be a nice contrast with the pink on the bottle. Using the GFX 100S Mark II today with the 120mm macro lens, and I've got a couple flashes. Got one behind this diffusion, and I got one that has this grid on to shoot the background. Okay, so before we start pouring the water in, let's check the light. The background light, a little spot that hits right beneath the bottle. There we go. Creating nice light in the glass. And the other light, creating a nice gradient there that will hopefully make the bottle pop nicely. So let's have a look. Yes, nice. So the plan now is to pour in water, a few centimeters, and then my colleague John's gonna help me, so I'll have something to do some splashes in here, and he will control the camera. So hopefully we'll get something nice. So I'll get the water. Probably gonna use some more, but let's have a look. Can't really see anything in the water without movement in the water, but we'll get there. I feel like maybe spot is a little bright, and I don't know if it's that one or that one making that. So let's adjust this one a little bit. Better. Feel like the bottle is moving a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna try to add a bit of this sticky stuff to the back. See if it will stay in place a little better. Let's see. Yeah, that may work. Okay, I think we're ready to start splashing, see what we'll get. So this will be a lot of trial and error by John here is gonna keep shooting and I'll keep splashing and we'll see what we'll get. And just got these from the kitchen, so they'll do. Jag kan börja lite så här. Det ser ut. Kör lite såna här först. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see. So I started a bit slow, just moving the water around. See what that looks like. It's looking pretty good. And then some splashing. Nice. That's cool. I think we got some really cool ones. I'm gonna pick a favorite, get it into Photoshop, and we'll see what the result will be. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you.